Hey y'all, this nice spring day here in PA. It's like really warm today. Just got back from the garage to get my car inspected and emissions done. Yep, the dreaded stickers, PA. So, check engine light on for mass airflow sensor and TPS and all that. We were dreading the worst, thinking I had a vacuum problem with this car. Found out it was just the air filter bad. So I'm going to replace that now. Clean the mass airflow sensor up. He recommended doing an induction cleaning on this car, but I'll get that done at a later date. And he said something about needing a CV shaft probably replaced. Damn. 2017 Chevy Malibu. These cars are notorious for problems, guys. If you got them, keep an eye on them. They're known to throw pistons 40,000 miles. He was telling me they're also known to throw turbos at 80,000 miles. They're also known for coil springs in the rear. Yeah, she's dirty. She's a work car. I've replaced the valve train already in this car, guys. 20,000 miles. Chevy replaced under warranty. Also had their O2 sensors replaced in this car at low mileage. Plus had it retuned a couple times. They are notorious for issues. And guys, keep your air filters clean, especially on these newer turbo motors. Will cause all kinds of problems. I thought it wasn't all that bad. I cleaned it, pulled it out, cleaned it up, but just all that grime and grit causes a lot of problems in these newer cars and completely kills the ability of them to get air down to the turbos. This is a new one, guys, from Fram. We're gonna go ahead and replace that filter. I recommend grabbing a can of mass airflow sensor cleaner and clean out your mass airflow sensors on these cars. But I just did. I'm just kind of waiting it to dry up. I'm gonna put this new filter in this car. Let's put that air filter back in, guys. If you're on the regular screws, you just need a regular screwdriver, Phillips. Need a flat tip will work. You want to pull these mass airflows all the way out, guys. They're under star keys. So I just cleaned mine internally. Okay, guys, it's back installed. One big problem with these cars is that motor popping those pistons, but they have a tune for it to fix that problem. It just makes it run a little bit more richer, adds more fuel. And it's supposed to solve that problem, but so far that fix has been working. But I've noticed you've run better fuel in these cars, higher octane, like they say in the book. Your 93s, your 89s. My car has 75,000 miles on it, and so far it's still ticking. Hasn't popped the motor yet, so I've been running 87 since gas prices got higher, but every once in a while I even put that other stuff in the 89, or I'll put 88 in it. Much as they don't have it marked for 88, I've ran in it. So far it's ran okay off of it. Actually runs a little bit better than 87. But I'm just doing some general maintenance, guys. Trying to keep her lasting. As always, guys, we'll see you cooking, reloading, or hunting. And keep 2A strong. And we'll talk to you later. Enjoy your spring. The 4 hours has been pretty nice out here. The first week of spring. So health reasons, I'm doing okay. So to hear about my surgery having done, that's had it done about Christmas time. I need to go back in for another checkup. Still getting a little bit of pain with that. Other than that, took a hit on the forklift at work off a puddle in the mill. And kind of fractured tailbone, so gotta rest that, take it easy for a while. But other than that, take care, guys.